In this video presentation, we will be going through various type of IP rights and how they protect the interests of consumers and producers.
Intellectual property forms the basis of development. It could be a book, an artwork, a magazine article, design, or a new way of manufacturing something. There are various forms of intellectual property, but the term property implies that it is owned by someone, either an individual or an organization. For example, when a movie producer makes a film, it is individuals' intellectual property. Or if a drug company comes up with an innovative new product, it is considered intellectual property.
The term property signifies it can get protection under the law. It is not dissimilar to the property rights that we know. If, for example, someone steals your car, you can make a police complaint. It then becomes the job of the police to recover your property and apprehend the culprit. The same is the case with intellectual property. If someone makes a copy of your movie, you can sue them and get restitution under the law. What are the different type of intellectual property in India? Let's look at some of them.
Patents are one of the most important types of IPR. It is defined as a government authority or license conferring a right or title for a set medium, especially the sole right to exclude others from making, using, or selling an invention. When individuals or organizations invent or come up with a new way of doing something, they approach the patent office, give them details about the product or process, and get protection for the property for a fee. This is justified because these individuals invest years and extensive resources developing something and would like to be compensated for their efforts. Patents act as an incentive for inventing new products and processes and form an integral part of a culture of innovation and growth. Patent protection is given only for a limited period, say about 10 or 20 years.
Among the different types of intellectual property rights, the trademark holds an important position as a unique identifier of a company or of a product. It is the representative of the brand or company standing to consumer, an assurance of certain standard and quality. Intellectual property protection is vital for trademark because companies invest a lot of time and a lot of money to develop brands. The last thing they want is for some imposter selling products or services using their trademark, deceiving consumers and leading to loss of money and reputation. Trademarks can include names, logos, and designs used in packaging or products themselves.
Copyright. You may come across the phrase all rights reserved while watching a movie, buying a book, or a DVD. This is just a way of protecting the contents of the movie, book, or DVD, indicating that the copyright is held by the publisher and no one can copy or use the material in any form without their consent. Copyright is granted to an original work, whether it's a movie, book, music, computer software, or a painting. There are two aspects to copyright: moral and economic. Moral rights give authors the power to be identified as authors of a particular work and to object if it is presented in a distorted form. The economic right is more tangible and gives the author to control the use of his or her creation and reap economic rewards from it.
Industrial design is a production technique of a certain product or article. For example, a furniture company could come up with a new way of making sofa come bed and may want to protect it from being copied by someone else. In many countries, the industrial design must be registered to get protection under industrial design law. In other countries, patents may get the work done.
Canada has recognized the taste of India. The Intellectual Property Appellate Board of Canada recently accorded trademark status to India's homegrown dairy giant Amul. The country's largest cooperative will also be awarded damages to the tune of Canadian dollar, which is 32,733, after it won a trademark violation case filed in the Federal Court of Canada. It is the first such case that Amul had filed against any company on foreign soil. The Kera District Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, popularly known as Amul Dairy, and the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation (GCMMF) that markets brand Amul had moved the Federal Court of Canada against.
Amul Canada and four others, Mohit Rana, Akash Ghosh, Chandu Das and Patel. In January 2020, Amul learned the group had blatantly copied the trademark Amul and the logo of Amul, the taste of India, and created a fake profile on social media platform LinkedIn. also had an icon to seek jobs and follow on its LinkedIn page, while the four defendants were listed as the employees of Amul.
The Federal Court of Canada held that Amul has clearly satisfied all the elements for establishing passing of test, being existence of goodwill, deception of public due to misinterpretation, actual or potential damages to Amul.
The federal court held that the defendant had infringed the copyright of Amul and issued order permanently restraining them from infringing the trademark and copyright of Amul and Amul, the Taste of India.